Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest updates of our new videos directly to your inbox. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ManiTech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable two-step verifications for WhatsApp. So friends, at first we have to launch WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. And once the WhatsApp is launched, you have to tap on more options, that is the three vertical dots which is located extremely top right corner, and then you have to tap on settings button, and then you have to tap on the account option, under account option you have to tap on two-step verifications, and then you will see enable button which is located bottom of the screen. Just tap on the enable button, and then you have to enter a 6-digit pin which you will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. So I just want to enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again you have to confirm the pin 3 4 5 6, and then you have to enter your email ID. So add an email address to your account which will be used to reset your pin if you forget it and safeguard your account. You can also skip it if you do not have any email account, then simply you can skip it. Just tap on the skip button, or it is better to enter your email ID, and then you have to tap on next button, then again confirm your email ID, and then again you need to tap on save button. So you will see a message, two-step verification is enabled. You just need to tap on done button which is located bottom of the screen. So two-step verification is enabled. You will need to enter your PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So in this way you can enable two-step verifications. You can also change the PIN whenever you wish to reset the WhatsApp PIN. So to change the PIN, simply you have to tap on change PIN option, and then you have to enter in new PIN here. So this time I want to enter a new PIN, suppose 147258. So again you have to confirm your PIN 147258, and then tap on save button. See, PIN is set and PIN is changed. So friends, in this way you can change the PIN also. You can also change your email address whenever you wish. Simply you have to tap on the change email address button, and then you have to enter the email address, and then tap on next button, and then again confirm your email address, and then again tap on save button, apply settings, email address is changed. So friends, in this way you can also change the email address. So friends, in this way you can enable two-step verifications and change the PIN or change the email address whenever you wish. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel ManiTech. Thank you very much.